We know you're the proud owner of a 2017 or newer Ford SuperDuty F250, F350 pickup truck, and now you're the proud owner of a DualLiner real truck bed protection system. Let's go through the easy 5-step installation process. It's important to note that the standard 6'9" sidewall piece for the SuperDuty is one panel. The 8' 2" long bed is a 2-piece sidewall piece that works together. That's what we're going to install today. Before we get started, we will need to remove factory hardware. You're going to need a T40 bit, a T30 bit, and a T25 bit, and a hand tool for the tailgate. Start by removing the factory tie-down cleats with a T40 bit. An impact drill can be used on the inside of the bed, not on the tailgate. The box link system also needs to be removed with a T30 bit. The box link is not part of the XL model, however, the bolt holes will still be trimmed on the bedliner. Now with all of our factory hardware removed, we can start step 1, install the load guard panel. It is designed to be tight, so get it over the top rail and give her a kick. Step 2, install the sidewall panels. Let's start at the tailgate end. Turn the rubber tailgate stopper out. Now we can install the sidewall. Remember, the 6'9" standard bed is a 1-piece sidewall. The liner we're doing today is 8' 2" and comes in 2 pieces. Start with the longer of the 2 sidewalls. Position underneath the rail, starting at the center, and work it under. At both the rear and the front, it will go under the tailgate cap. Now that we have the sidewall panel tucked under the factory rail cap, we're going to work our way forward to get the shorter panel in the front. Take note that until installation is 100% complete, you might see gaps or bolt holes may appear not to align. Once the installation is finalized, it will self-align. Moving forward to the short panel of the sidewall, you can see an indented feature on the channel of the long panel that's going to nest with the panel on the front. Same as before, align it under the rail, snap in place. As a reminder, we are not replacing factory hardware until after the ZeroSkid Rubber Floor is installed. Also, for trucks that have optional factory LED lights, we do have a bedliner pre-trimmed for that as well. Step 3, install the heavy-duty 3/8 inch thick ZeroSkid Rubber Floor. The nubs on the underneath allow for airflow and water drainage, which means it won't trap water. Here's the dual technology, the custom-fit hard dent protection sidewall panels and the heavy-duty ZeroSkid Rubber Floor for cargo protection. Keep in mind, this is a big mat and it's been rolled in a box. It may take a few days in the sun to lay perfectly flat. Step 4, now that we've installed the ZeroSkid Rubber Floor, we can reinstall the factory hardware. While it's okay to use an impact drill in the bed, remember, it's never okay to use an impact drill on the tailgate panel. Start with the box link system. Remember, that's a T30 bit. The factory cleat will use a T40 bit. I'm going to start by hand tightening, and I'm going to put the tie downs in the back and in the front, back and forth, while the panel continues to shift. Now don't forget, before you're done with this step, you have to turn back the tailgate rubber bumper back to the bed. Before we get started on the tailgate, just a quick tip on tie downs. The box links plates should point up, looking like the Empire State Building, and the box factory cleats should point out like this, both front and back. Now our final step, step 5. Reach into your tool bag and get that T25 bit with a hand tool. Remember, again, this is an aluminum truck. We don't want to over torque or strip the screws. Start by removing the factory 8 screws along the top, and we're going to put those in your toolbox for later and replace them with factory provided hardware from DualLiner. During install, you may notice this raised feature formed on the panel. That is for use with the factory bed extender, should you have one, and corresponds with the hole in the tailgate. Place the tailgate panel on the tailgate. Use the DualLiner provided hardware to attach it back to the truck. Finger tighten all from back to forth, and then use a hand tool with that T25 bit to secure it. We've also included double-sided tape. Since it's only attached along the top half, if you want to secure the bottom, use the double-sided tape and provided alcohol wipes. That's it. With custom fit dent protection for the sides and that heavy-duty ZeroSkid Rubber Floor for cargo protection, your truck is protected for a lifetime. Go to DualLiner.com to register your lifetime warranty today. Now that you've experienced how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they too can own the only bed liner that works. And send us your photos and videos. We'd love to hear about your experience at DualLiner.com, on social media, and YouTube. And thank you for supporting an American-made product.